Hello, good evening. And today I want to discuss about the impact of GST, that is the goods and services tax, on the Indian economy. Now, the implementation of goods and services tax in India has had a significant impact on the country's economy. GST, which was implemented on July 1st, 2017, aimed to streamline the complex and fragmented indirect tax structure of the country. One of the major advantages of GST is the elimination of multiple indirect taxes such as excise duty, service tax, and value-added tax, that is the VAT. This was implemented and simplified the tax structure and created a more uniform tax regime across the nation. The removal of interstate barriers has also improved the ease of doing business and enhanced the overall competitiveness of the Indian economy. Now, I will like to talk about five major points, that is the manufacturing sector, service sector, agriculture sector, and the real estate sector. And like to finally conclude about this topic in the fifth slide. Now, coming to the impact of GST in the manufacturing sector. The manufacturing sector has benefited from the GST. This implementation of GST has reduced overall manufacturing exports by eliminating cascading taxes and providing input tax credits. This reduction in production costs has made Indian products much more competitive, both internationally and domestically, against similar competitors. Additionally, GST has encouraged businesses to adopt compliant practices, which has further contributed to the growth and brings about a system of reliance in the manufacturing sector. Now, coming to the service sector, that is also one of the largest uh, sectors in India that accounts for a huge major chunk of the white collar jobs present in India. In the service sector, GST has led to increased efficiency and transparency. The unified taxation system has simplified the tax structure, therefore reducing the compliance burden for the huge service providers. This has encouraged them to expand their operations and invest in technology instead of spending time, money, and resources in complicated tax transaction and calculations, thus resulting in job creation and overall sectoral growth. Next, we have on the list is the real estate sector. The real estate sector is one of the largest sectors in India that spans across huge amount of properties and land investments. It is also responsible for a lot of the black money that is present in the system. Now, coming to the real estate sector, it has undergone significant changes due to GST. The consolidation of various taxes into a single tax has reduced the overall tax burden on home buyers that are looking to purchase either the first homes or looking to purchase multiple properties. Additionally, GST has promoted transparency in the sector by discouraging cash transactions. That was a huge problem that resulted in huge amount of black money present in this sector, and is now encouraged by GST to use proper invoices to get various type of tax credit inputs and the likes of such. This has helped in eliminating tax evasion and bringing more accountability to the real estate sector. Now, finally, we come to the largest employing sector in India, that is the agricultural sector. While this sector is largely fragmented into small amount of land holding and the median income is very low compared to the global averages, but the implementation of GST brought about some challenges in this sector, unlike the other sectors where it has brought numerous benefits. Previously, agricultural products were largely exempt from indirect taxes. However, with the introduction of GST, certain services related to agriculture have been brought under the tax net. This has led to increased costs for farmers in accessing services such as storage, transportation, warehousing. Nonetheless, GST has also created a unified national market, reducing interstate trade barriers for agricultural produce. Now, to conclude today's topic, overall, the implementation of GST in India has had a positive impact on the economy. It has streamlined the tax system, reduced tax evasion, and promoted ease of doing business. While challenges were faced initially, the government has taken proactive measures to address them. With the elimination of multiple indirect taxes and the creation of a unified tax regime, GST has played a crucial role in boosting India's GDP growth and enhancing the competitiveness of various sectors. Thank you.